Today I want to introduce gifRunner 2.0. What is gifRunner? gifRunner is an app for Android phone which can use the downloaded Divoom GIF to upload to Twinkly Lights. I've got another video showing how to download Divoom GIF graphic and upload it using gifRunner 1.0. Now we have a new version. At the moment, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Z Flip Android version 12. First of all, you need to download the app. I don't have it in App Store. You have to download it from the website. So I already defined a shortcut for that. And the tiny CC GR20. Then you will see a download button. And here is a warning. Then say download it anyway. Of course, I have to give you a warning as well. This app is only written for myself. And if you want to use it, go for it. But I can't guarantee what can happen on your device. So you are doing at your own risk. Okay, completed. Now it's asking me whether I want to install it. Okay, don't open it. Now we have to set up some permission. So go to settings here and type in app, then app information, then search it, gifRunner 2.0. Now here you can see the permission. Tap on it. Files and media, click on that one. Now you have to turn it to allow management of all files. Now go back. Before you start the app, one more thing you need to do is just make sure on your phone. Now my phone is connected to my laptop, so I'm showing you here on my laptop. Here is my Galaxy Z Flip. And if you have used the gifRunner 1.0 before, then you should have a directory called Big Boss and gifRunner. So before you start the gifRunner 2.0, you should remove the existing gifRunner folder or rename it to something else. That's what I have done here. So after you start it, it will create a new one, the new gifRunner directory here. We don't worry about that for the moment. Now we can start the app. Make sure you have mapped the lights and turn on all the lights before you start it. So in GIF 2.0, the app will automatically scan for Twinkly lights. In my case, I've got 2 of them. Now they detected by the ID, and I can just go ahead without doing all those IP settings like in the previous version. Select the light. Now it's showing the light information here, and then I can select the graphic. Then you will see the preview here, just like the previous version. Then click on the button down here, send. So you can see the graphic is there, and if you like, you can go to the next one and select something else here. So give it a little bit. Here is the preview, and send it. Here is also one. It's all. So basically, I can select the graphic, and then I can send it to all the lights. For example, here, it's basically sending one by one. This is not the grouping in the Twinkly app, so they are not in sync. So it's uploaded and then play. Now you can go ahead and use it as like this. If you don't know how to download the GIF file from the Divoom app, you can check out my previous video. Now there's something else you still can do. At the moment, it is very hard to tell which line is this if you just look at the Twinkly ID. We can change this. And the other thing is also the preview, because I have two lines with different shape. One is horizontal, the other one is vertical, and the preview is always a square. It's a little bit confusing. Now we can try to change something in the settings. So this part is optional. Before you do that, you better close the app. Now we go to the log file here. This is the directory on the phone. It's under my internal storage and Big Boss directory, and here is gifRunner log. Now I open the log file here, gifRunner log, and you can see some information here. We are going to use this information for our settings file, and just go down to the gifRunner folder. There's a settings.txt. For demonstration, I'm going to copy this file to my local drive, otherwise I won't be able to edit it. Okay, that's currently my settings file. There's nothing much happening here. And here you can see lights, and there is a square bracket. Now we are going to copy this information. This one is one of my lights. This is the other one, and for some reason it appears here again. I don't know, but there are only, you can look at the Twinkly ID. There are only two different lines here. So now I'm going to copy from the curly brackets here and paste it in between the square brackets here. Now I'm going to copy this one. This is a different Twinkly ID, and put also here. So basically this is the list of the lights, and there are two lights here, and this is the ID. I want to give the ID a name here. So for example, this is my horizontal one. I call it wall panel, and this one is my curtain. My wall panel is horizontal, so I can give it a aspect ratio. Just give it 2 and 1. And my curtain is vertical. The width I could put it 1, and the height is 2. It doesn't really matter what number. It's all about the aspect ratio. Then save it. As I said, all these settings is optional. You don't need to do it to run the app. Now I copy the file back to my phone, put it under gifRunner here, override the existing one, start the app, click on the list. Now you can see there's a wall panel and curtain here. If I select the wall panel and select the graphic here, now you can see the aspect ratio has changed for the preview. The upload doesn't change anything. This is only for the preview. And if I select the curtain, the preview change. Okay, that's all about my gifRunner 2.0. I hope the new feature has made everything easier. If you have any question, please post in the comment section. I will try to help you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.